Welcome back to the Greener Lawn. Today it will be a before and after of a season-long N-Ext products of RGS, MicroGreen, Humic12, and Air8. Also a season-long before and after of Milorganite. Stay tuned.
If you like my content, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, check the notifications bell, and always leave a comment in the comment section.
Next level. Next level.
As the season draws to a close, I just wanted to show the before and after that my yard has made, what changes it's actually had throughout the year. Of course, it's not 100%. No homeowners normally are at 100%. We always have things that we need to fix. My major key points are my backyard. That's the 2019 renovation part of my yard that I will be doing. So the other thing that I'll be fixing next year will be my park strips. I will be taking my sprinklers and staggering them back and forth so that I have sprinkler heads on both sides, not just on the curb sides shooting in. That has left some dry spots this year that I was unable to take care of. In the backyard, my biggest problem was I didn't have the proper head coverage from my sprinklers because they were ran in a row, threes, for a 44-foot span across my backyard, and so I didn't have an overlapping coverage, so it left gaps and really caused me issues back there. So that's why it'll be the project lawn for 2019. But as far as the results that we've seen, right here where I'm sitting was in one of the places where that excavator was driving back and forth to put in my rocks that we have up top. I didn't know that I needed to make it loose or anything like that, so I actually just left it as it was. And this year, as you can see from this picture, it was super bumpy at the beginning of the year. Now, it's all filled in. It looks extremely good, and I'm extremely proud of where I'm at with it. I followed all my applications except for when we had the Milorganite shortage, and when we came to this last application because I used the 1801 Green Punch instead of the Milorganite app. Every other application that I had in my yard was according to the schedule, and it was put down at the proper time. I didn't go heavy on my yard this year. I really was at a light schedule. It was all about the soil correction for me this year, and it's going to be a similar process next year. Just as kind of a overview of what I saw from each one of the products throughout the season. Right here we have MicroGreen. I use that a lot on my plants to give them a little bit of a boost. I got a couple of trees really established and looking good off of the MicroGreen. My landscaping up around the rock beds didn't take off as I expected. It's a trick for me up there, but my main focus for this season was this bed right here behind me, and I think it turned out extremely well. Really pleased with it. All the plants in there did extremely well. I was excited about that, and that was a great help to my MicroGreen. I also used it in the lawn as a greening up effect during the summer, intermittently with the Milorganite, as you can see from my schedule. Right here with the Humic12. Humic12 was one of those ones that I really appreciated how it filled in these patches. Every time I would give it a nice little power hit to each one of these patches, I would see the patches just fill in. And you can go back and see it in this video right here, how it really made transformations. My Air8 and RGS, those are ones that I wanted to save for the last, because that became one of my favorite power hits in the soil. We actually did a power hit right as I was having the seed stock issues, and I said I'd never say it on this channel again, but those seed stock issues caused me a lot of problems. Here's the video about seed stock. But that was my 2018 big hit for me. What I had to do to actually get it to go away was, one, to get my Toro Time Master, and then two, I hit it with this power hit. I brought my Air8 application back from this time of year, late September, back to the end of July, and did it with a power hit with the RGS, and I really saw this grass open up. It started to not stress out as much. The green came in really deep, and it really started to perform, and that's where this video came from when I made her green, because of that nice little combo power hit. RGS, root growth stimulant, it did an amazing job. The humates that are in the soil have really started unlocking it and allowing the soil to work for the grass. I really am excited for what I've seen, and if you have any specific questions about how any of these products worked in my lawn, go ahead and hit me up in the comments below. Milorganite, the old standby, that nice deep solid green up, it's kind of the emeraldy green. It really helps with the organic matter down in the soil. It was a good little combo hit for me this year, and it really did numbers for my lawn. Next year, this lawn is going to be a on-point lawn, hopefully all season long. I don't have any kind of problems, so that I can focus on my project lawn of the backyard for the 2019 season. I really want to thank the N-Ext products with Green County Fertilizer and John Perry and Milorganite for this transformation in my yard this year. Yeah, there are other products out there that will get you results, but this is a very solid program. It is only going to make my lawn better in coming years. I've been really excited to use this program this year. I followed it really well, and I've seen the results. I've only watered twice a week throughout the whole season, and it's really sustained extremely well. It's going to be going into its dormancy earlier than expected. We are losing our water on October 1st, 2018, and it's not a big deal. I've been weaning it back. My lawn is starting to show signs of some lack of water because I have it all the way back to less than a half an inch over those 2 days, and it's not too happy with it, but overall the green still looks extremely well. I'm really pleased with it. I'm really appreciative for everybody that's joined me on this journey this season, and I can't wait to see where we take our lawns next year on these products and things that we come up with next year. It's going to be a great season, 2019. Hopefully your 2018 was a great season. I want you in the comments down below. Let me know how your lawns turned out for the 2018 season. Was it where you expected, better than expected, didn't turn out so great? Just let me know. I'm Jeremy of the Greener Lawn. Make her green.